Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. To create an Instagram-like login page using HTML and JavaScript, start by structuring the layout with HTML. Use elements like divs, inputs, and buttons to build the form for user credentials, including fields for username and password. Next, employ to style of the page, focusing on aesthetics that mirror Instagram's branding. This includes choosing a clean, minimalist design with an emphasis on colors, fonts, and spacing that align with Instagram's visual identity. Consider using flexbox or grid layouts for responsive design to ensure the page looks good on various devices. Finally, incorporate JavaScript for functionality. Implement form validation to check user input before submission, providing feedback for errors. Optionally, use local storage to remember user credentials for future sessions. To enhance user experience, consider adding animations or transitions for button clicks and form submissions. This approach results in a user-friendly, visually appealing login page.